yep. Gilmore's is going to be our main attraction today. Yeah. Gilmore's. What do we do if we flip over? Well, then that's what we do if we flip. You guys see how my feet are up on the surface? Keep our feet up and our feet downstream the whole way down. Woo! Just like that. So guys, alright, now start swimming towards me, bud. Nice work. Alright, over here, Fabian. Nice work, bud. You okay, Fabian? Alright, Xander, swim to me, bud. Swim towards me. Nice work. Alright, swim to me, Audrey. Nice work. Towards me. Whoop. We won't almost flip if we put upstream edge, right? We can carve into it. Now paddle towards us. Whoa. Paddle, paddle, paddle. Alright, paddle towards me, bud. Paddle right over to me. Look at me. Look at me. Nope. Alright, paddle towards me. Paddle towards me, bud. Nice work. Look at me and paddle towards me. Paddle towards me. Woo! Nice work. Nice work. Hey, sit, picking at him. Nice work. Woo! Woo-hoo! over to that beach. To the beach. Go to Zach. Back to center. So if I was to flip over my right, snap with my right paddle and pull up with my right knee. Yeah, just like that. Now I want you guys to slap the water really hard. Oh. Went over a little bit too much, huh? See this wave right here? We're going to paddle right up into it. Paddle right up into it. Good. Yep. Kind of sold yourself on there. Paddle over to the right more. Yeah. Nice work. Maybe you want to run it again?